This is mama deer with two of her fawns. The one fawn eating the bird seed looks like it's maybe a year older than the smaller one that the mom is licking. And if you watch this video very carefully, look right in front of the mama's legs, and you could see a bunny join them. You could see its eyes, and it comes over to try to eat the bird seed with the deer. It's cute seeing the mom, she's just grooming the little one while the other one just keeps eating bird feed. I have a lot more of these deer videos where they've coming to eat the bird feed and pumpkins. I hope you enjoy them.